Both houses of the Maharashtra legislature adjourned for the second day over Ajit Pawar's remarks. Two persons from Mumbai arrested in connection with the building collapse in Shilphata area. Hello and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. This is Sunita Bhatt. Now let's see the news in detail. Both houses of the Maharashtra legislature were adjourned today as the opposition created a ruckus over Ajit Pawar's urination remark. The lower house was adjourned after a censure motion against Ajit Pawar was not accepted. The upper house was adjourned after the opposition demanded resignation of Ajit Pawar's post-lunch session. In the assembly, the opposition members were in the well shouting slogans against the deputy chief minister, demanding his removal from the ministry. Only an activity to condole the passing away of former MLA Dattatreya Metkar, who died last week, was taken up. And in a major development, two more persons, including a journalist from Mumbai, have been arrested in connection with the building collapse in Shilphata area, which killed 74 people, taking the total number of arrests in the case to 11. Police said today that Farooq Abdul, an architect, and a journalist, Rafiq Daud Kamdar, said to be a conduit for officers, was held yesterday by Thane Crime Branch, which is probing the crash. Police added the name of Kamdar was found in diaries of one of the arrested builders. Earlier, 9 people, including suspended Deputy Municipal Commissioner Deepak Chavan, Assistant Municipal Commissioner Babasaheb Andhare, Municipal Corporation Clerk Kiran Madke, NCP Corporator Hira Patil, Policeman Syed, Estate Agent Jabbar Patel, and Building Material Supplier Afroz Alam Ansari were arrested. And air cushion vehicle ship H-191, the fifth of the series of 12, was commissioned by the Indian Coast Guard today in the city. The 21-meter-long air cushion vehicle with 31 tons displacement, which can achieve a maximum speed of 45 knots. The vehicle is capable of undertaking multifarious tasks such as surveillance, interdiction, search rescue, and rendering assistance to small boats and aircrafts in an emergency situation at sea. The vehicle will be based at Okha under the administrative and operational control of the Northwest Coast Guard region. AVSM Director General of Indian Coast Guard Anurag Thapliyal was the chief guest at the event.
भी है, अपने फिशरमैन जो हैं उनको बचाने का भी है और इस तरह की इमरजेंसी समुद्र में बड़ी तेज़ी से डेवलप होती हैं, उसकी नोटिस बहुत छोटी होती है। कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि इंटेलिजेंस इनपुट जो मिलते हैं वो कम नोटिस पे मिलते हैं, तो हाई स्पीड क्राफ्ट का एडवांटेज है कि आप जल्दी से वक्त पे पहुंच सकते हैं उस जगह पे, क्योंकि आजकल जो लोग गलत कामों में लगे हुए उनके पास भी अच्छे स्पीड के जहाज़ हैं, तो आपके पास स्पीड एडवांटेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
And the National Basketball Association, in collaboration with Multi-Screen Media, which is NBA's broadcast partner in India, and Magic Bus, a non-profit organization, announced a partnership to develop a comprehensive NBA Cares program. Through this partnership, weekly basketball programs will be used to promote education, health and fitness to the underprivileged boys and girls in the age group of 7 to 14 years, starting from June 2013. The announcement was made today by NBA Commissioner David Stern at a Magic Bus NBA Cares clinic at the Mastan YMCA in Mumbai. This event is part of Stern's first trip to India. The NBA, which opened its first office in Mumbai in 2011, has conducted more than 450 events at grassroots levels in 10 cities in India over the last 5 years.
It will move much faster than anybody expects, and we will have a successful development of young players, boys and girls, in India. And at the same time, we will have a good business as well. That's why we're going to be spending a fair amount of time and money in developing the basketball in India.
High blood pressure is a silent killer, and hypertension increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes and kidney failure. An estimate suggests that high blood pressure affects more than 1 among 3 adults at an age of 25 years. On the occasion of World Health Day, which is celebrated every year on 7th of April, the World Health Organization selects a priority area of global public health concern as a theme for World Health Day. This year, on its 65th anniversary, WHO concentrates on prevention and control of hypertension. On this occasion, Kohinoor Hospital had organized an awareness program for hypertension in collaboration with Maharashtra United Nations Associations, Indian Federation Association, New Delhi and United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan. The Secretary General for Indian Federation of UN Associations, Suresh Srivastava, relayed the message from the Secretary General of the United Nations, Ban Ki-moon, in depth at the event.
The Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, has given a very important message. The theme given by the United Nations for this year is blood pressure, hypertension. And there is a good reason for that, because according to the statistics of the United Nations, every third adult in this world suffers with high blood pressure or hypertension. And surprisingly, this disease is prevalent not only in the rich countries but poor countries as well.
And that's all we have at today's Metro Scan. We'll be back tomorrow with some more latest updates. Till then, back to the Delhi studio. Namaskar.
Well, thank you, Sunita, for that. And that's it in Metro Scan.